Hey, what's up, guys? Today we're going to be doing a skills guide in VRFS. For the recording, it didn't save my audio, so I'm making a voiceover. But anyways, the first skill we're going to do here is a Elastico, which involves you pushing it with the inside of the boot, then hitting with the outside like this. And then, yeah, the shooting isn't really part of it, but here's some clips. Alright, and the next skill is called reverse elastico, which is the same thing, but you start with the outside. And I'll just do that a couple times. Alright, then we got step overs, which basically is pretty simple. You just like put your leg around the ball like that, do it consecutively and add a couple moves to it. And it really makes a good dribble. Here are some clips. Alright, and for the next skill, we got side to side, which is pretty self-explanatory. Like I'm just hitting it from my left foot to my right foot, then my right to my left, and you add it. You can maybe add it to some moves. If you add step overs, it becomes an NA dribble, and if you don't add any moves, it's more of an EU dribble. But yeah, here's some clips. Alright, for our next skill, we have flicks, which is pretty self-explanatory. Like I said, you just flick the ball into the air. There's some couple different ways. One of the ways is like this. Well, that's just like a normal flick where I pick up the ball. But one that I like to do is flick it up, bounce it, and then that's how I do my air dribble, which I'll explain later. And for the next skill, we got the roulette, which is basically where you do a spin around the ball and the player. Basically, you would take a look at my pivot foot on the ball as it turns. That's crucial to get a good turn and to move the ball with your foot. Watch my foot. My foot's spinning with the ball. And then you just do it a little bit faster. And yeah, here's some clips. All right, now we have my signature move, which is the air dribble, which I start with the flick that I showed previously. Then you just, hard to explain, but you just hit the ball up in the air. It's pretty easy, But I mean, you gotta be a little bit tall. But yeah.